Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Amanda. That's me. I hope you guys are all staying safe, and hopefully you guys are quarantining yourselves in your homes to not spread this further. I know that we've been quarantined for what feels like 5 million years, but just know that you're really helping everyone else in your community and basically the world. Hopefully this will bring us together. Okay, so I'm wearing this dress. I'm actually wearing it as a shirt right now, but it is a mini dress that I had in high school, and it's, you know, cute little polka dots, and I had the idea of matching my face mask to my outfit and my eyeshadow. So let me just show you my face mask. So as you can see, it matches my dress perfectly. Yeah, so that's how I got this idea. My grandma sent this to me so that I can wear it whenever I go grocery shopping, and it just matched perfectly. I'm actually going grocery shopping today. Please don't go grocery shopping or leave your house if you really don't need to. If you have enough food, just stay home. Currently I do not, so that's why I have to go. But yeah, how fun is that? So let's get into this weirdness now. I'm excited. Okay, so I just primed my eyelids. I use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. The shade number rubbed off of the bottom, so I have no idea what color it is, but I think it was medium 26. So let me zoom you guys in. My skin is very uneven right now, but that's okay because we're gonna slap foundation on it soon enough. I'm just gonna use this one. It's Sweet Talk from ColourPop. So I'm gonna put the shade Meadow in my crease. I just want like something kind of pinky, peachy. That's cute. Right, guys? No? Just talking to myself. Basically how all of quarantine has been going for me. Okay, so I did some white eyeliner off camera because that was really weird. I've never done white eyeliner before. This one is from ColourPop and it's called Graceland. So now I'm gonna try to copy it on the other side. It's so much less scary than black eyeliner. Okay, not too shabby. I'm gonna perfect it and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're gonna add the polka dots to the white eyeliner. I'm very afraid of this, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I'm gonna try using the ColourPop one, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be a little too stiff. So I might have to go in with a different one in a second, but let's see how I could do this. What do you guys think? It looks like cow print. I think this is a fail. I've been trying to do polka dots for the longest time, and look, that's the darkest I can get the eyeliner to look. Oh, in the last clip my eyeliner was white, and then I tried to do black polka dots, but then it just looked like cow print. So now I did black eyeliner and white polka dots, and that's not working either. So I don't know what to do. Okay, so instead of polka dots using eyeliner, I'm using rhinestones, which is pretty tedious to put on, but it has a cool end result. I have this from Michaels. Totally not eye safe, I don't think, but whatever. Oh, there's gonna be little pearls all over my room because they keep flying off. Okay, so I put 2 on each side. I think that's how I'm gonna leave it because if I keep lining them up, it's gonna look too bulky. So now I'm gonna put on some lashes. I got these on Amazon. They're like really, really long. It's called Beauty Creates Limix. It's in the style Glamour. So I'm gonna put those on and put on some foundation too. And then I'll be back so I can show you how it looks with my mask. Sorry, this video is like all over the place. I just haven't done makeup in a while and I'm really rusty. So bear with me. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna put on this Kylie lip kit to match my eyeshadow. Please excuse my lashes. They are so dramatic and huge. I was not expecting that. Also, this is like only the 3rd time I've ever applied lashes in my entire life, so that was really stressful. I just didn't want you guys to see it because you would judge me. My lips are dry, so I don't know why I'm putting this on. Also, I got this lip kit like in 2016, so I'll let you know if I die. We're pretty much done, but this lipstick, it's very expired. Like, it dried down so quickly and it looks really gross. So I'm gonna take that off and put on some lip balm or something. On the bright side, it kind of like tinted my lips, so I'm not too mad about that. Oh my god, it's like glue. Holy cow, can't take it off. Ew. I know a lot of you out there still have Kylie lip kits from like a million years ago when it first came out, so get rid of those. You have no use for them anymore, okay? Don't even justify it, just throw it out. Actually, don't put lip gloss on if you're about to put on a face mask, because that just doesn't make any sense. I don't even know why I did the bottom half of my face. You don't have to. If you're gonna go to the grocery store, just do the upper half right above here and you're good. One last touch I'm gonna put on is this heart stamp from Milk Makeup, because I think it'll look cute and weird and people at the grocery store are gonna be like, what is wrong with her? But I don't care. So I'm gonna put it right under my eye so that it's like really visible. The middle part is missing. Can y'all see that? I think that is my finished look. Actually, no, it's not. Let's put on the face mask. Okay, so this is the finished look. I feel like you can't hear me. I can't believe I'm filming this, to be honest. You guys can roast me in the comments. I give you permission because this is probably the weirdest thing I've done on YouTube. If you guys like this look, please comment and subscribe if you want to see more. Hopefully this video was kind of entertaining for like a few minutes of your day, because I know that everyone's pretty bored at the moment. And if I can make you smile or laugh, please let me know down in the comments, because that'll make my day. I love you guys, and I'll see you very, 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 very soon.